Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More. And guys, today we are going to be testing out the Mantis claw kit that I built last week for you guys. So I've got the DJI Phantom here, and my lovely, awesome, beautiful wife has fashioned a really cool, basically has a better center of gravity. So I've got a couple of carabiners. So one's going to hook here and then one's going to hook down here on the hook. And I've got about 3 feet of cordage. And then what we're going to do is I've got a drone with me. So I got a full-size 210 with battery included. And so I'm just going to put it out in the field, and we're going to see if this thing actually works or not, if it'll lift the drone or not. All right, everybody, so as you can see, I've got my Phantom turned on, and I've got it hooked up to the claw here. So again, it's just a carabiner and then another carabiner hooked. And then the drone is right out there in the field. And just for authenticity, and most of the times when you're racing, you're going to flip upside down. At least that's what I found. So I'm going to go ahead and lift up the drone. My wife's going to record while I fly, and then I'm going to be recording with the DJI as well, and we'll see if this sucker actually works. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and lift off the drone here, and we'll take a look, and hopefully this works. Alright guys, so I've shortened the cable a little bit, and that seems to have helped quite a bit. Now it's just a matter of getting this thing steady enough to so it will actually lift it without a battery. There we go. So the battery was just a bit too much. Alright guys, so there it is. It will lift a 5-inch without the battery on it. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any other drones to test with me. I didn't bring a tiny whoop, and I did not bring my 3-inch, so we might do another video where I'll bring the Phantom back out and we'll test it on a smaller drone. I'm sure it was actually lifting the 5-inch just fine. I'm hoping that it'll lift the 3-inch and a tiny whoop as well. So this is probably suited for something a little bit smaller. Now, if you have something like an Inspire or one of the bigger ones, like a Unique, one of the bigger drones, then it can probably have a lot more lifting power, but unfortunately it was just a bit too heavy for the Phantom. So, but we are going to do some more testing, and we'll definitely do another video for sure. So guys, if you liked the test of the Mantis Claw, it did actually hold the 5-inch, it did actually lift it, not for very long, but we are not done testing. We'll be doing another video. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. If you like the channel, enjoy all my footage and things of that nature, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And next to that there's a little bell, just to let you know when I've got new videos. Typically I try and put one out every Wednesday at least for you guys, and extra videos. So thanks for hanging out, thanks for watching my video, thank you for all the viewers, all subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.